So a few months ago, I bought the domain VibeMarketers.ai. Not even sure what to do with it, but I just heard the term vibe marketing. It was inspired by vibe coding, but vibe marketing is basically meshing or matching human creativity and intuition with AI automation agents. Everything now that you can do with AI, but you can just do at scale. So you can get ideas and campaigns live much faster, speed up the iteration process, the testing loop, and just get more out there. And so I thought it'd be a fun experiment for Vibe Marketers. And so I actually just got the website up. This is still basically the Webflow template. And so these are placeholders, lorem ipsum content is still there, but I'm not sure what I want to do with it. However, I do want to make it an experiment, a learning experiment to understand how can I get certain queries cited in answer engine optimization or answer engines. How can I use AI and automation agents to create content? How can I use web scraping tools? How can I use all of these new tools to create different stacks, these AI writers? So it's just going to be an experiment and a testing ground, and show you really quickly what the first iteration might be. So there will be playbooks. So playbooks like what are the different ways that you're using AI automation, and a few inspirations here is Reforge. I think Reforge does a really great job of taking individual contributors or marketing leaders. How are they using tools in different ways? They go through step by step and explain the process, and it's part of their paid program. But you can see like a framework for identifying early adopters at ClickUp, and it goes into detail. So I'd like to do the same with Vibe Marketers, but specifically around marketing and AI and automation. And another inspiration is Mutiny. I think Mutiny does a really nice job in terms of taking these playbooks for how people are using playbooks as a B2B marketer. And there's a lot of, it's almost like case studies for these different tools and what they're doing. The other thing in terms of Vibe Marketers is tools. So it'll be like a list of tools. And one that I think does a nice job is Matt Wolf's Future Tools. It's a large curated list of different AI tools. And there's so many. It can make your head spin. But for Vibe Marketers, I like to just focus on a marketing stack. For some of this, it might extend beyond, for example, gaming or for fun. So what are the AI tools that a marketer would find valuable, or maybe that I use on a day-to-day basis? And then the last part would be the blog. See, it's not even set up properly. This goes back to the playbooks. I need to fix that URL. What are my insights from this? And so I just want to use this as a learning ground, a testing ground, and feedback too. If you have ideas on where this could go, or if you even just want to contribute a blog post. I do think guest blog posts will become even more important now, again, as we're trying to feed large language models with different brand mentions or citations or content worthy of being cited in an answer engine. So that's where I stand now with Vibe Marketers. A very bare bones site, but something I think that hopefully will be a resource both in the actual content on the site and the learnings behind the scenes that I'll be sharing here. So if you have ideas, please do drop them in the comments or let me know. But this is stage one. We'll definitely get better from here. All right, thanks so much.